In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Alibaba account. Whether you're interested in buying, sourcing new products, or exploring what Alibaba has to offer, setting up your account is the crucial first step. Let's dive right in. To begin with, you'll need to navigate to the Alibaba registration page. Open your web browser and type in registeralibaba.com in the address bar. This will take you directly to the sign-up page. Once you're there, have a quick look around to get familiar with the layout. Next, you'll need to enter your email address. Make sure it's one that you have immediate access to because you'll soon receive a verification code. Carefully type it in and double-check for any typos that might prevent you from receiving crucial account notifications. After entering your email, it's time to click on the password field and create a strong, secure password. Aim for a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols to enhance security. Remember, using a unique password that you haven't used in other accounts is always a good practice. Now that your email and password are set, you'll be asked for some basic personal information. This includes your first name, last name, and your company name if you have one. Accurately fill in this section because it can help tailor your Alibaba experience, especially if you're representing a business. Following this, you should provide your telephone or mobile number. Again, make sure this is a number you're able to access easily, as Alibaba may use it to send important account information or to verify your identity. With your contact information complete, you'll need to perform a quick security check. You'll see an arrow on the screen. Simply slide it to the right to verify your action. This is a common practice to ensure that a real person, not a bot, is creating the account. Once that's out of the way, you're ready to click on the Create Account button. It's the moment you've been working towards. After clicking, check your email inbox for a verification code from Alibaba. It may take a few minutes to arrive, and don't forget to check your spam or junk folders if you don't see it right away. Enter the code in the designated field to proceed. You're almost there. To finalize the setup, select your business type from the available options and hit Submit. This step helps Alibaba customize your experience based on your business needs. And finally, if you're planning to shop or explore things as a buyer, click on Switch to Buyer Site. It's a nifty feature if you're transitioning between browsing and buying. And there you have it. You're now all set up on Alibaba, ready to explore the vast array of options available to you. Thanks for tuning in and happy networking on Alibaba.